anticipated to take Marquez's place at LCR Honda, Oliveira will likely sign a 2-year contract with Aprilia and RNF Racing. Marquez's future is increasingly appearing to be independent of Honda, since the competition for the second seat at LCR is predicted to be between Takaki Nakagami and Ogura, with the latter candidate reportedly being the favorite. That said, Honda has had another terrible season thus far, as evident by its failure to earn any points in a MotoGP race for the first time in 40 years at German MotoGP. Although Honda's performance at the German MotoGP last weekend was hampered by a mechanical issue, rider error, and fitness issue, a lack of competitive performances and results were evident even before Sachsenring. Marquez has subsequently been associated with Gresini Ducati after the Italian squad appeared to miss out on its top target, Oliveira. Inia Bastianini, a former Moto2 world champion, will either join Pramac or the factory team alongside Francesco Bagnaia, thus Gresini is resigned to losing them. D has already committed to a second season with the club, so Gresini may reveal one of their 2023 riders signing this week. The Italian, who indicated that a deal is near on Thursday, has recently put in nothing less than magnificent performances, particularly in qualification. Espargaro is another rider whose future may be about to be decided, as a return to KTM seems imminent. Espargaro will probably continue to use factory equipment with Tech 3 KTM, even if it won't be in shape of a factory seat. Should such a transfer occur, the Spaniard would either replace a Remy Gardner or Raul Fernandez, with the latter being more plausible given that RNF is allegedly considering a former Moto2 star.